First, drag the layer of chicken wing. And fill the background color by pressing Alt plus backspace. Drag other images as well and adjust their positions properly. Make group by pressing Ctrl plus G. Now, make a new layer above background layer. Select soft round brush tool and paint white on the top. Change its blending mode to overlay by pressing Ctrl plus J. Duplicate the layer 2 times more and adjust their positions correctly. Now bring the another image of red rays light background. Flip it vertically. Adjust at the top. Change its blending mode to screen. And choose radial gradient to fill its layer mask. Bring another background image and change its blending mode to soft light. Decrease its opacity so it look nice. Now make a new adjustment layer of color balance above chicken piece. Increase its red to highest value so it matches with the background. Then make another adjustment layer of curves. Make it more dark by decrease its value. Fill layer mask with black color by pressing Alt plus backspace, and then choose soft round brush tool and paint white where you want the darkness to be shown. Now, make another adjustment layer of curves. Make it more bright by increasing its value. Fill the layer mask with black by pressing Alt plus backspace, and then choose soft round brush tool and paint white where you want the brightness to be shown. Make another layer of curves. Increase its value to the highest level. Fill its layer mask with black and choose soft round brush tool with small size. And paint on the top edges of chicken piece because light source coming from top. Now repeat the exact same process with other two pieces as well. Now bring the transparent image of breadcrumbs. Make the layer mask and remove the unwanted areas by painting black on layer mask. Then make copies by pressing Alt and dragging. Adjust them at the right places so it will look nice. Now bring the image's other chili pieces and adjust their positions properly. Make new adjustment layer of curve above large chili image. Decrease its brightness. Repeat the same process with other chili pieces as well. Now drag the image of chili vector. Choose blending options and give color overlay. Then type text with text tool. Keep its font to Stretch Pro. Fill its color by pressing Alt plus Backspace. Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl plus T right with mouse and choose Wrap option. Then wrap it properly above the chili vector. Now type another text. Change its font to Billion Dreams. Type another text with Text tool. Change its font to Broken Detroit. Adjust its size and position. Write another text and change its font to Stretch Pro. Adjust its size and position. Select all text layers and convert all of them to Smart Object together. Then press Ctrl plus T to show transform controls. Right-click with mouse and choose Wrap option. Then wrap it accordingly. Now bring some other images, adjust their size and positions. Give them Gaussian blur with specific values. Drag the phone icon. And write call information next to it. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E to merge all the layers together. Choose Camera Raw Filter and adjust the values accordingly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.